Alright, we're doing the 4L60E pump rebuild. Notice the placement on the bolts. 5 13mm bolts. And then when you see this offset, click, click, click. Inside you'll see the spring. Spring aligns with this on the offset. The across dimensions is approximately 9. So this would be like a 9-inch pipe to go around it. And yeah, so we got everything loose and we're going inside of the pump to check out for cleaning and rebuild. And let me get a little light on the subject. This is inside the pump. Wow, I almost see a little bit of rust in there, don't you? I do see a little rust in there. I don't know, that could be a bad thing or that could just be trashed. I know rust or water, check out your bearings. I don't see no wear on the bearings. Water and transmission fluid don't mix, so never get water in your transmission fluid if you can. Alright, let's go ahead and pull this apart and see what happens. Bam. We're turning her over. Bam. Hopefully all the parts are about the same. And we come across the shaft to the end. Right about, it's a little less than 9. So I'd have to say 8 7/8, 8 3/4, something like that. So if you're going to build a band, you need to make it about 8 3/4 ought to be about good on your band. Coming in here, see a little bit of, see that's transmission fluid, but it's really watery looking. It's really quite watery looking inside there. Doesn't seem no thickness in it. The color's not good. So I did pressure wash this inside the case on the transmission, but I don't think any water could have gotten into here. And also, I thought there was supposed to be a gasket around this pump. I thought there was supposed to be a gasket between the two pieces when it mates together. So we need to check that. Like, comment, and subscribe. Everything just fell out on the other side. One side has the shaft. The other side has PWM with the 4-way tangs. And when we lift this over, oh shit. The little veins fell out. The veins fell out of this. So if we look, we got starting at 12 o'clock with our hole. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 veins. 10 veins. And the veins have a little awareness where they've been in here under some pressure. And then we got a washer in there. And the washer actually feels like there's a little bit of rust in there. Yeah, that definitely feels like rust. So I'm not sure. We gotta clean this puppy up good. And this side, your spring's there, and then you got a spring there. Here's your nut knocks right there. So we're gonna look at it, and then we'll let you know. Clean her up, then rebuild her. This is the pump stator. We're gonna rebuild this thing, and that's what we're gonna do. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys think that's rust, or you know that's rust, or you ever seen that. Comment below. Appreciate you. Thanks. Y'all have a good day. Bye.